So, as I've mentioned in previous videos, one of the main things that really helped me develop my Muay Thai, both as a trainer and a coach, and as just a practitioner, is pad work. Now, I recently touched on this subject in a video that I released, and I'll put the link up here and I'll also put the link in the description below. But I discussed why pad work is so beneficial for anyone training Muay Thai or wanting to train in Muay Thai, regardless of your level. There are so many benefits. So check out that video, but in this video I want to talk about something else, something I've been working on for a while. As you know, I own my own martial arts school. I own a Muay Thai gym, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu martial arts school, and I always look to share my knowledge beyond the walls of my gym. This is one of the main reasons of my YouTube channel. So what I've come across recently is a lot of issues with pad holding. Not hitting pads, but people holding pads. People aren't being instructed properly. They're not being shown how to do it. They're kind of just thrown in there. They're probably not learning the most technical way to do it, or the safest way. So in this video, I wanted to share with you guys that I had created a program, a Thai Pad Work certification program. So check it out. This program was created because people have been asking me how to improve their pad work, and that's a loaded question. There's a lot that goes into it. It's not something you can cover in one or many videos. I guess over time you can help people. And I think on the other side, a lot of people didn't realize how much help they needed. You know, as I talk about in the pad work video, a lot of people just aren't being taught how to hold pads. They're just shown how to hit pads. And holding is just as important. And being good at it will truly elevate your Muay Thai. So we have launched that program. And the link is in the description below, along with a discount code that will knock a significant chunk off of the program price. This is just for the beginning. Once we expire that discount, I will pull that discount code off of the description. So take advantage right now. Now, this is beyond just people who train Muay Thai. This is also for personal trainers who need to maintain their CECs or their continuing education credits. Our program is currently being vetted by, NASM, ACE, ACE, AFAA, and NESTA, and all the different bodies that provide personal training certification. And if you have a personal training certification, you understand that you have to engage in continuing education to maintain your certification. So what's cool about that is you get to take fun programs and learn new things to add curriculum and training to your sessions with your clients. So if you are a personal trainer, you definitely want to take advantage of that. Again, they're currently pending. I will put an announcement in the community tab when we've been fully approved by all those governing bodies. So this is exciting, guys. This is something I wanted to do to really provide you guys with a true course to really elevate your Muay Thai through and I'm going to call it an art, through the art of pad holding. So I hope you take advantage of this course. As always, guys, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.